This is a distance divided. The basic formula, we know basic formula. That is the basic formula is, what is the basic formula? We have the basic formula there. That is, mm, so first formula, C is equal, this is a parallel plate capacitor, This is a vacuum between two plates, vacuum between the two plates. T is equal to epsilon naught A by D. This is a formula. For area also. For area. Vacuum or air between two plates. So what is the capacitor? T is equal to epsilon naught into A by D. D means distance between the two plates. A means cross section area of the plate, or this is a cross section area of the plate. This is a formula. Keep it in mind. Next one is second formula. Is this is a capacitor. This is a K means dielectric slab is placed between the two plates. Formula is equal to C is equal to K epsilon naught A by D. This is a formula. This is a capacitor. Now, my concept is case number two. So, case number two. So, what is the case number two? Distance, this D can be divided into parts. This is a D. Distance between the two plates is D. This D can be divided into number of parts. Distance can be divided into number of parts. Distance divided. Distance divided means series connection. Keep in your mind. Series connection. Distance divided means series connection. For example, this is a capacitor I'm taking. This is a capacitor. At this point to here is, this is the cross-section area of the plate. This is a distance between the two plates. This is a total distance is D. This is a distance between the two plates. This is a D. This D can be divided into number of parts. This D can be divided into parts. This is a cross-section area of the plate. From here to here, this is a cross-section area of the A. From here to here is cross-section area of the D. A, cross-section area of A. Now you will see this is a D, total D. This is a D. This D can be divided into, this is one part, this is one part. This is a D by 2 distance. This is a D by 2. But the total is, what is the total distance? D by 2 plus D by 2, that is D. That is the capacitor. So this gap is filled with dielectric slab cable. This gap filled with dielectric slab cage. So how many capacitors we have? This is a C1 capacitor, this is a C2 capacitor. This is a C1 capacitor, this is a C2 capacitor. So already I told you, distance divided into two parts. Two capacitors are connected in a series. Suppose this D can be divided into three parts. Distance can be divided into three parts. Three capacitors are connected in a series. Suppose distance can be divided into number of parts. Number of capacitors are connected in a series. Keep in your mind the point. Here, how many capacitors we have? two capacitors. Two capacitors are in a series. Two capacitors are in a series. This is a capacitor 1. This is a capacitor number 2. This is a capacitor number 2. This is C1 capacitor. This is a C2 capacitor. C2 capacitor. So what is the distance between these two plates? This is a d by 2. This is also d by 2 distance. So what is the cross section area of the plate? A. For this one A, also A cross. So this gap, this is a gap filled with K1. This gap filled with K2. Two capacitors are in series. Two capacitors are in series connection. We know very well. So what is the formula? What is the formula? So what is the formula? C1 well. This is you see this one. This is belongs to second formula. This is also belongs to second formula. What is the second formula? General formula is equal. C is equal to K epsilon naught A by distance between the plate is D. This formula applies to this capacitor. Applies to this capacitor. C means what type of capacitor? C1 capacitor. K means K1 capacitor. And epsilon naught. A means cross section area. What is the cross section area of the plate? A by distance between the two plates. Distance between the two plates is D by 2. This is C1 is equal to take upside 2 K1 2 epsilon naught A. This is a K1 by D. This is the formula. Epsilon naught into A by D means we are going to write C. C is equal to epsilon naught A by D. We are going to write C1 is equal to 2 K epsilon naught A by D means that is a C. This is a C1. Formula for the second capacitor. Same formula, C is equal to K epsilon naught A by D. We are checking. This formula applies to the second capacitor. So C means what type of capacitor? C2 capacitor. C2 capacitor is equal to what type of dielectric slab using? That is the K2. So epsilon naught is K. What is the cross section area of the plate? A. By distance between the two plates, what is the distance between the two plates? D by 2. C2 is equal to, and to take upside 2 epsilon naught A by D into K2. This is we are going to write C2 is equal to what is the value? C2 is equal to 2C epsilon naught A by D means C, and we are going to write this is the K2. C2 is equal to K2C. This is the formula. This is we are going to write formula. That is the C2 value. This is a C1 value. This is C1 value. This is a C2 value. C2 value. Two capacitors are connected in a series. What is the formula? We have the formula is so 1 by C total is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2. This is the formula. So this is a 1 by C total is equal to C1 C2 take LCM C1 C2. C1 cancel, remaining value is C2. C2 into 1 is 1. C2 cancel. C2 cancel. C1 into 1. That is the value is C1. Right reversely C total by 1 is equal to right upside C1 by C2 by C1 plus C2. This is a C total value. C total value is equal to C1 means what is a C1? So what is the C1 value? C1 value means that is 2CK1 into C2 means what is the C2? C2 means 2CK2 value by C1 plus C2. C1 means 2CK1 plus C2 means 2CK2. This is the value. C total is equal to, so what is the command? That is 2C into K1 into K2. This is a value. Upside value. Downside, which one is common? 2C is common. 2C take out K1 plus 2C take out remaining value is K2 value. Two C cancel each other. C total is equal. What is the form? What is the two C K1 K2 by K1 plus K2? This is the value. This is the value we are writing. This is a C. This is a two remaining value is two. That is a two K1 K2 by K1 plus K2 into C. This is a C total value. C total value. We are going to solve like that. This is a harmonic mean. This is a harmonic mean. Harmonic mean. Harmonic mean. Okay, no, this. So next example. So keep in your mind, this is a very important model for competitive exams. Next. Next question. So next question. We know formula. So what is the formula? Formula. Formulas. The formulas. So first one is, this is a parallel plate capacitor. So vacuum between the two plates. Vacuum or air. Or air. Vacuum or air. This is a cross-sectional area of the plate A. Distance between the two plates is D. Formula is C is equal to epsilon of A by D. This is a formula. Number two formula. So this is a capacitor, dielectric slab. Dielectric slab between two plates, that is the K. This is the distance between the two plates is D. This is a cross-sectional area of the plate. C is equal to K epsilon of A by D. This is the formula. So next, example problems. Case number 2. I'm going to explain case number 2. Distance divided. Distance divided. Distance divided. Distance divided. What type of connection? So connection is series connection. Series connection. Distance. S means series connection. Series connection. Don't confuse. Distance. Distance can be divided into number of parts. Means the capacitors are n capacitors are connected in a series connection. Series connection. Keep in mind. Distance can be divided. Example number 2. Example number 2. We are going to explaining example number 2. Example number 2. In this example, this is a capacitor. This is a capacitor. This is a total distance is D. This is a parallel plate capacitor. D means distance between the two plates. This can be divided into 3 parts. 1, 2, 3. This is a D by third, D by third. This is a D by third, D by third. So this is a distance between the two plates, 3 plates. This is a this gap filled with the K1 capacitor, K1 dielectric slab. This gap filled with the dielectric slab is K2. This gap filled with the K3 dielectric slab. This is a distance between the two plates. This is a distance between D by 3 is the distance between the two plates. D by 3 is the distance between the two plates. D by 3 plus D by 3 plus D by 3 means that is a D. That is a D. So how many capacitors we have here? How many capacitors? This D can be divided into 3 parts. This D can be divided into 3 parts. 3 capacitors are connected in a series connection. 3 capacitors are connected in a series connection. Keep in your mind. So how can we divide this one? Just you know. This can be divided into 3 capacitors. 3 capacitors. One is this is a 1 capacitor. This is a second capacitor. This is a third capacitor. Third capacitor. Third capacitor. This is a distance. What is the distance? This is a D by third. For this one, D by third. This one, D by third. This gap filled with the dielectric slab K1. This gap filled with the K2 dielectric. This gap filled with the K3. So what is the cross-sectional area of the plate for this one? From here to here is cross-sectional area is A. So all cross-sectional area is same. All cross-sectional area is same. This cross-sectional area A for this capacitor cross-sectional area is A. There is no change on that. There is no change. Okay, now you will see 3 capacitors are there. 3 capacitors. Now this capacitor belongs to formula number 2. Formula number 2. So what is the formula number 2? General formula C is equal to K epsilon naught A by D. This is a formula. That is a formula. This formula applies to the capacitor one, C1 capacitor. This is form a C1 capacitor, C1 capacitor. This is a form a C2 capacitor. This is a form a C3 capacitor, C3 capacitor. Now, this formula applies to this capacitor. That is a C1 is equal to what type of scrap? What is the dielectric K1? Epsilon naught. What is the cross sectional area A? Distance is what is the distance? D by third. This is we are going to write 3 take upside 3 epsilon naught A K1 by D. This is the epsilon naught into A by D means what we are going to write capacitance. We are going to write C1 is equal to 3CK1. 3CK1. This is a formula. This is a formula. Next, similarly, this formula applies to capacitor, second capacitor. What type of C here we are using? C2 capacitor. What type of dielectric slab? K2. Epsilon naught cross sectional area A, same. Distance between the two plates is D by third. This is a C2 is equal to 3 take upside 3 epsilon naught A K2 by D distance. This is epsilon naught into A by D. This is we are going to write C2 is equal to 3 epsilon naught into A by D means we are going to write first formula, that is a C, that is a K2. This is a second formula. Next, this formula applies to this capacitor. So what type of C using? C I am writing what type of C using capacitor 3. Next to K, dielectric slab is K3. Epsilon naught cross section area is A by distance between the plate is D by third. So we are going to write a C3 is equal to 3 take upside 3 epsilon naught A K3 by D. This is a formula. Epsilon naught into A by D means that is a C. We are going to write C3 is equal to 3CK3. We are going to write this is a C3. That is a C3 value. C1 capacitor, C2 capacitor, C3 capacitor. We have the 3 capacitors. 3 capacitors are connected in a series. What is the formula? C total is equal to 1 by C1 plus 1 by C2 plus 1 by C3. This is a 1 by C total is equal to C1, C2, C3 take LCM. C1, C2, C3 take LCM. C1, C1 cancel. C2, C3 into 1. That is a C2, C3 plus. This is a C2, C2 cancel. C1, C3 into 1. C1, C3 plus C3 cancel. C1, C2 into 1. That is a C1, C2. Okay. So I can write this reversely. Okay, this equation reversely. C total by 1 is equal to. This is a this term I written reverse means this term also should be right reverse. C1, C2, C3 by C1, C2 plus C1, C3 plus C2, C3. This is a formula. That is 3 capacitors are connected in a series. Okay, now C total is equal to C1 value. What is the C1 value? 3CK1. So what is the C2 value? C2 value is 3CK2 into C3 value is, what is the C3 value? 3CK3 by C1 into C2. C1 into C2. So what is the value? C1, C2. C1 value is C1, C2 value. C1, C2. What is the C1, C2? 9 C square K1, K2. K1 into K2 plus C1, C3. C1, C3. 3 into 3, 9. C into C, C square. K1, K3. 9 C square K1, K3 plus C2, C3. C2, C3. 3 into 3, 9. C into C, C square. 9 C square K2 K3 K2 K. Okay, na? C total is equal to next term. C total is equal to 3 into 3 9. 9 we are going to write 9 C square C square 3 into 3 9 9 9 C into C square, and that is C K1 K2 K3 we are going to write down. 3 into 3 9 C into C square, next C value, K1 K2 K3 value. I'm right. Here downside you see 9C square 9C square 9C square. This is one term, this is second term, third term. Each term having common term, that is a 9C square. 9C square take outside, 9C square take outside. K1 K2 plus K1 K3 plus K2 K3 K2 K3. 9C square cancel each other, C total is equal to C total is equal 9C square cancel. K1 K2 K3 by K1 K2 plus K1 K3 plus K2 K3 into capacitance value C. This is a C total value. C total value. Yeah. C total value. This is a form. This is some example. Number 2. Next, the mixed combination. Some mixed problem. Series and parallel combination. Example number 3. Next, example number 3. Say example number 3. So what is the example number 3? This is a parallel plate capacitor. This can be divided into, this can be cut into like this. I'm cutting into like this. This is divided. This place can be divided into 2 parts. Means this is A by 2. This part is A by 2. This part is A by 2. This part also A by 2. So why I'm going to write means this is from here series total. That is this is a plate mark. From here to here is this is M, cross section area A. This is a one plate of the capacitor. One plate of the capacitor. This can be divided into, this can be, A can be divided into two equal parts. This is A by 2 plus this is A by 2. This is A by 2 plus A by 2. This is I'm cutting two plates. This part is A by 2. This is a part is A by 2. Totally, so from here to here is A. This is I'm dividing. This area can be divided into two equal parts. This part is A by 2. This is A by 2. A by 2. Totally, this is A by 2 plus A by 2. This is from here to here is A. This can be divided into two equal parts. This is A by 2. Remaining parts having A by 2. Total part, total. What is the total? So what is the total area of the plate? A. That is A. So this is a distance between the two plates. This is a distance between the two plates. This can be divided into two half. This is what is the distance? This is a distance. This is a line. This line can be divided into two parts. This one capacitor. This is another capacitor. This line. This D can be divided into two parts. This is D by 2. This is a distance is D by 2. This is a line. This line can be divided into two equal distance. One is D by 2, D by 2. What is the total distance from here to here is D by 2 plus D by 2. This is a D distance. Clear? Okay, na? So now, how many capacitors we have here? How many capacitors we have here? So this is a combination of series and parallel. Parallel connection. Come to the point. So first, these two are distance can be divided into two parts. Means this is one capacitor. This is another capacitor. This is another capacitor. How many capacitors we have? So we have capacitor. This is this gap filled with K1. This gap filled with dielectric slab K1. This gap filled with dielectric slab K2. This gap filled with dielectric slab K3. This is C1 capacitor. This is a C2 capacitor. This is a C3 capacitor. We have three capacitors. Now we have to find out which capacitors are connected in series, which capacitors are connected in a parallel. We have to decide. How can we decide? Based on the distance division series and area can be divided means parallel connection. Come to the point. Distance divide. These two C2, C3 capacitors are in a series. C2, C3 distance divide. D can be divided into two parts. These two capacitors are connected in a series connection. What type of capacitor? C2 capacitor. This is a C2 capacitor. This is a C3 capacitor. C2, C3 are connected in a series. Distance can be divided into two parts. Distance can be divided into two equal parts. Two capacitors are connected in a series. This is capacitor. This capacitor. This is area cutted. This is a total capacitor. This is a total capacitor can be divided into. Area can be divided into two parts. One is this capacitor. Other one is this capacitor. So area can be divided means this capacitor, C1 capacitor, another C2, C3 capacitor. Both are one. We consider one capacitor. This is another capacitor. This part one capacitor. This part considered as another capacitor. C2, C3 capacitor. Total capacitor taken as a one capacitor. This is C1 taken as a one capacitor. Two capacitors are in a parallel connection. Why means area divided. Area can be divided into two equal parts. This capacitor, entire capacitor taken as a two capacitor, and this capacitor is taken as parallel connection. Now this is a C1 capacitor, C2 capacitor, C3 capacitor. This is a dielectric slab K1. Distance is, what is the distance? D. For this one is distance is D by 2. For this one is distance D by 2. D by 2. For this plate, dielectric slab is K2. For this one, dielectric slab is K3. K3. We are going to write K3. Okay. You see, first, these two capacitors should be combined first. combined first. So what we are getting, two capacitors are in a series connection. So what is the series connection formula? C total is equal to C1 C2 by C1 plus C2. C total is equal to C2 C3. Okay, we are going to write. Now general formula. What is the general formula? C is equal to, we are going to write this formula applies C to capacitor. General formula is equal to C is equal to K epsilon naught A by D. A epsilon naught by D. So what type of capacitor? C2. K means dielectric slab. Epsilon naught area, cross section area. So what is the cross section area for this one? This is A by 2. For this one also A by 2. This is also A by 2. This is A by 2. This is A by 2. Combine both are A. So A by 2, distance between the two plates is D by 2. C2 is equal to K2 epsilon naught. So what happens? This is A by 2. This is D by 2. Take opposite D. This is D by 2. 2 cancel it. 2 cancel it. C2 is equal to K2 epsilon naught A by D. This is epsilon naught A by D means first formula C. C2 is equal to K2C. We are going to write. This is a C2. Similarly, C3 value also. C3 value also we are going to write K3CL. Both capacitors are same now. And C total means what is the C total? C total is equal to C1 considered as C2 C3. So what is C1 value? C1 value is K2C. K2C and C2 value is, okay, we are going to write formula change C2 C3 C2 plus C3 for your convenience, changing the formula. And C2 means K2C. C3 means K3C. K3C by C2 plus C3. C2 means C2 plus C3. See? This is C total is equal to C into C. C square K C square. This is C square. We are going to write C square K2 and K3. K2 and K3 by, in both terms having the C common term, C take common, K2 plus K3. CC cancel each other. C total is equal to, C total is equal to C into K2 K3 by K2 plus K3. This is the formula. This is a formula. That is a C total. That is a C total. That is a C total. Okay. Now the circuit to become like this. This is a C total. This is a C1, and this is a cross section area by 2. Distance is, what is the distance? D, and the dielectric slab is K1. Two capacitors in a parallel connection. Parallel connection means C parallel connection is equal to C1 plus C total. C parallel connection is equal to C1 means what is the C1 formula? K epsilon naught A by D, general formula. C total means what is the C total? C into K2 K3 by K2 plus K3. K3 plus K2 plus K3. CP is equal to K. What type of K? K1 epsilon naught A. A means what is the cross section area? A by 2. A by 2. Distance between the two plates is D. Plus C into K2 K3 by K2 plus K3. K2 plus K3. CP is equal to, this is we are going to write, this is a 2 take down, this is what we are going to write is C. That is K1C by 2 plus C, K2 plus K2 into K3 by K2 plus K3 we are going to write. CP is equal to, what is the common? C common. C take common, K1 by 2 plus K2 into K3 by K2 plus K3 we are going to write. This is a final. This is a your one. So keep in your mind, this is very important. Here, which capacitors are connected in a series, which capacitors are connected in a parallel. We have to decide. That is very important, very very important. So this is a D by two. This is a D by two. These two capacitors are this is a distance can be divided into two equal parts. Distance can be divided into two equal parts. These two capacitors are in a series. This is the area. Area can be divided into two parts, two equal parts. This capacitor, these two combination capacitors are connected in a parallel connection. Parallel connection. Keep in your mind, that is a very important loss. Okay, this is a very 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 important. Next question. So next problem. This is a capacitor. This is a parallel plate capacitor. Parallel plate capacitor. So this can be divided into two equal parts. This is a distance between the two plates. This is a cross sectional area. Cross sectional area A. Cross sectional area A. This can be divided into two parts. This is a D by two. This is a D by two. D by distance can be divided into two parts. This area can be divided into two equal parts. Area. This is a by 2. This part is A by 2. But this total part is A. Cross section area A. This is A by 2. A by 2. This is a C1 capacitor. C2 capacitor. C3 capacitor. This cap filled with the K1. This cap is filled with K2. This cap is K3. Okay. We're going to write directly for it. So first, these two capacitors, distance can be divided into total parallel plate capacitor thickness one capacitor. Distance can be divided into two parts. Distance can be divided into two parts means C1 and C2, C3 are both are series connection. Series connection. This is the C1, C1. This is C1. So this is a C2 and this is a C2. C2, C3 capacitors. Area can be divided into two parts. Area can be divided into this is a C1, C2, C3 considered as one capacitor. One capacitor. This is a C2, C3. C2, C3. C2, C3 capacitor area can be divided into two equal parts. Area can be divided into two equal parts means what type of connection? Area can be divided into two equal parts means both capacitors are in a parallel connection. Parallel connection. Parallel connection. This is a circuit. This is a circuit. C1. This is a C2, C3. This is a C1, C2, C3. So what is a dielectric slab K1? Distance between two plates is D by 2. Cross section area A. Total cross section area A. And the C2, what is the C2? Dielectric slab is K2. So what is the distance? D by 2. Cross section area A by 2. For this one also, A by 2. Distance between the two plates, D by 2. Dielectric slab is K3. K3. This is the value. This is the value. So what is the values? C1 is equal to, we are going to write C1 is equal to formula. What is the general formula? C is equal to K epsilon naught A by D. A by D. So for this formula applies first capacitor. C1 value, K1 value, epsilon naught A cross section A D by 2. We are going to write C1 is equal to 2 K1 epsilon naught A by D. This is, we are going to write C1 is equal to 2 K1. This is total value is 6. This is, we are going to write first. Similarly, second one. This formula applies second one. C2 is equal to K means K2 epsilon naught. A means what is the cross section area? A by 2. D means D by 2. D by 2. Okay now? So D by 2. C2 is equal to K2 to take upside epsilon naught A by 2. 2 to cancel. C2 is equal to K2. Sorry, D. This is epsilon naught A into by D means this is, we are going to write this one. Next is C3. C3 also similarly we are going to write C3 is equal to K3C. K3, see this is a C3 value. C3 value. This is a 2 are in the parallel connection. Parallel connection. So parallel connection is equal to C1 plus C2. 2 are parallel connection. C1 plus C2. C1 plus C2. What type of capacitor? C2 and C3 capacitor. C2 plus C3. C2 means K2C plus C3 means K3C. C common K2 plus K3. This is a C total value. C total value. This is a C total value. Now capacitor becomes like this. This C1 capacitor. This is a C total capacitor is capacitor. Now two capacitors are in a series. C total is equal to C1, C2, C total by C1 plus C total. This is the final one. C total is equal to C1 means, what is the C1? C1 means 2K1C. C total means C into K2 plus K3 by C1 plus C2. C1 means 2K1C plus C into K2 plus K3. This is the formula. C total is equal to 2K1 C1 C2 C square. This is a K2 plus K3 by, your common is, what is the common? C common 2K1 plus K2 plus K3. CC cancel. CC cancel, remaining consider. That is your answer. That is okay. So thank you very much. Tomorrow I will explain remaining form.